Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from ANB 309. Are explaining mid-semester assessment about a story about Tinker's Adventure. Our members comprise of Fitra, Muhammad Fitra, Muhammad Arbi, myself, Maulana Alvin, Daryl, Hart, and Banyu Bening. And for our project manager are Miss Sally and Miss Arta.
Okay, for background, to provide an alternative method of learning English to computer science students. I made at improving the English knowledge to computer science students. The idea began with a short educational animation explaining both subject with a short adventure themed storyline. The story features two main characters.
For our premise, there are two chapters for our PBL story, and that is Daniel and Vincent had found the temple deep in jungle and wanted to explore, wanted to enter and explore, but the rocks from inside the temple blocked their way, so that they cannot enter the temple. For chapter 2, Daniel and Vincent wanted to enter the temple through the ventilation above the doors entrance, but Daniel slipped on the ladder and fell, injuring his right leg. This is for our script. You can check it in our link below. For storyboard, for chapter 1, I'm gonna explain it very shortly. But first, Daniel and Vincent has found the temple, and they attempt to enter the temple, but the entrance has been blocked by bunch of rocks, and Daniel needs an idea from Vincent about how to enter the different way, and Vincent have a idea to use the ventilation up above the entrance. Next, collecting the materials for their uh, uh, ideas, and that is to create a ladder. Now they finish creating the ladder, and the story ends with the establishing shot. And that's for chapter 1. For chapter 2, they find Daniel has to go first to climb the ladder to the ventilation, but unfortunately he slipped midway and fell, injuring his right knee uh, until it's uh, until it hurts very bad. And Daniel give Vincent an instruction to use the bandage to his right leg, and Vincent does it for him. And finally, Vincent did it, and they are take a rest for a second time.
On the mood board, for Vicente and Daniel's character here, we use non-human or animal character. For Vicente character, we use a cheetah. The characteristic of Vicente is that he wears a typical Mexican turban and also a cowboy hat accessories for Vicente's character. And for Daniel's, we use a moose, which comes from North America. The characteristic of Daniel is that he wears a brown face hat and also a sling bag. Character Daniel, basic info, full name Daniel Ranger, uh, personality, extrovert, and goals exploring the temple. For character Vicente, full name Vicente Templo, personality, extrovert, and goals exploring the temple.
Next, this mood board for our environment design, which match the story setting. Here we have a tropical forest, El Castillo, the temple of the inscription in Palenque, and Las Pozas as reference for the temple that appears in our story. Next, here is the 2D environment design we create. It shows an ancient temple surrounded by a tropical forest. This tropical forest will be the main place where Daniel and Vincent adventure takes place.
Next up, we got the props for our story thing like bandits, leather, and ropes. Each of these got their own vibe and purpose for the character. Then on this next slide, you'll see the 3D version we already cook up on and later on we are planning to switch a bit, turning 3D props to into 2D just to make animating them smoother and less of headset. Now move on. We got the audio part, the stuff that's gonna bring our animation to life. From the background beats to the sound effect, we got it aligned up. We pulled the track and sound effect strike from Pixabay.
And then this is our animation test. It's taken from shoot 3, chapter 2. Daniel fell down from the stair. Deeply. And then this is our VFX test taken from shoot 3, chapter 1 with dust effect. And then this is our important shoot. The first one is Daniel and Vincent find the hole in the temple. And then Daniel and Vincent prepare the ladder to climb. And then Daniel is trying to climb up. And then he fell down, and Vincent trying to treat Daniel wounds. And then Vincent successfully treat Daniel wound. And then this is our 3D render. This is our temple.
That's it for our presentation from ANB 309. I hope you understand all of our explanation. Sorry about any errors from our group, and thank you for watching.